welcome to A Clean With Me. My name is Bronte for those of you that are new here, and if you're new, hit that subscribe button. We are going to be doing A Clean With Me today, focusing mostly on the master bathroom. I am also going to be sharing my shower cleaning hack with you that involves zero bleach, how to remove the hard water stains from your shower, and I'm going to be tidying up my kids' room and my bedroom as well. So I'm going to start with removing the sheets from my bed, and then I will also be removing the sheets from my son's bed. Get up and clean with me. I hope that this video gets you super motivated to get your cleaning done. I'd love to hear from you guys in the comments. I want to know what you get checked off of your cleaning list today. I'm just in it for the thrill of it. I just want to get the hang of this, and I know there is no cure. Drowning in ID. I'm just in it for just the high life drift and the high life, just the high feel living in the high life drift, just the high life twist on the high life. I'm just in it for just the high life drift and the high life, just the high feel living in the high life drift, just the I'll be washing our sheets using Arm & Hammer laundry detergent that I got from Costco. It is a huge thing of it, and it has OxyClean in it. This stuff works great at getting stains out, and it has a really nice fresh scent that's not too overpowering. I'm going to run our sheets on a sanitary cycle in extra hot water, and this usually takes about an hour and a half. So while those are washing, I'm going to get started on the master bathroom. Master bathroom has been neglected for quite some time. There's stuff on the floor because my daughter pulls stuff out of the cabinets. She's 1.5, and then there's kind of just stuff that's accumulated all over the countertop, like makeup, glasses, hair, and it's just not cute, and it's definitely not clean. The shower is for sure worse as far as being dirty goes. It is so dirty. For me, it is absolutely disgusting. I've seen worse showers for sure, but this is really dirty. I haven't cleaned it in so long. There's hard water buildup on our handle, on our faucet. There's just dirt from dirty feet, and it's disgusting. But like I said, I'm going to show you my shower cleaning hack. It involves zero bleach. So I'm going to be using baking soda, white vinegar, dish soap, and a squirt bottle. I put dish soap in the squirt bottle. Dawn works better, but I'm going to be using Mrs. Meyer's, and then I'm also going to fill the bottle halfway with vinegar, and then I just shake that up a little bit and I squirt it all over the bathtub, get it a little bit wet, and then I go in with baking soda and sprinkle the baking soda all over the bathtub and anywhere that I really want to be scrubbing. And then after I've sprinkled the baking soda on the bathtub, I will spray it more with the vinegar dish soap mixture and let that soak for a while. And while it's soaking, I will work on the rest of the bathroom. This seriously works so well to clean the bathtub, deodorize it, sanitize it, and not only does it do that, it is so great at getting those hard water spots off of anything with a metal finish. It works so well. You will see as soon as this is all done soaking and I'm done scrubbing it, it looks so much better. So let's get to work on the rest of the bathroom. While that is sitting, I am just going to get everything off of the counters in the bathroom, and then I am going to be cleaning them. I'm going to be using the Clorox Scentiva in the Pacific Breeze and Coconut scent. It works so well and it smells so good, and I love that it's disinfecting since we are getting into the cold and flu season now. Hoping that it's still you and me. Yeah, I thought we'd always. I'm going to be using that vinegar and dish soap mixture in the sink, letting that sit for a little bit, and then I'm just going to be using some generic glass cleaner that I picked up from Walmart to clean my mirrors. And then once I am done with the mirrors, I will wipe out the sink and get it all nice and clean. This mixture works super great on the sink as well. Gonna waste it now, not sure if I'll make it out. I do not want to give you more of my life. And now onto the dreaded toilet. Using Clorox Clean Bleach Gel to clean the toilet bowl, and then I'm also going to be using that Clorox Scentiva on the toilet seat. some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I don't. I do not wanna give you more of my life. I do not wanna give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now. Not sure if I'll make it out. I do not wanna give you more of my life. Hey, yeah. Oh, I'm not give you more.
So now that the baking soda, vinegar, and dish soap have been sitting on the bathtub and everything else in the bathtub for about 20 minutes, I'm going to go in and I'm going to scrub it. I'm wearing gloves. You don't necessarily need to wear gloves because there are no harsh cleaning agents. I just have my nails done right now, so I'm going to wear gloves so it doesn't get underneath them. But like I said, this works so well to clean the shower, and it works really well to get those hard water spots off. It's just amazing what you can do with more natural cleaners. I do like to use bleach. I usually do use bleach, but I really wanted to scrub this without having the bleach scent. So this works great if you don't like to use harsh cleaners. Like I said, it looks so amazing. Once you are all done, trust me, try it. You can thank me later. And if you guys do try it, let me know. I want to hear all about it. Leave me a comment down below or DM me on Instagram. If you have an Instagram, look at how much cleaner it is, you guys. Just wait until we get closer to see how shiny the faucet and the handle are. It is insane. Works so well. I'm telling you, you need to try it. Time to move on to the rest of the bathroom. I'm going to be using that vinegar mixture to wipe down this little bench area that we have underneath our windows. This works super well at cleaning that as well. It doesn't strip the paint off, and it's gentle enough to be used around my 1.5-year-old daughter. I'm also going to be wiping down the baseboards in the bathroom using this too. I just spray it on and then I wipe it off. I'm using a bar mop from the Dollar Tree. I believe you get a pack of 2 for $1 or a pack of 4 for $1. They're a steal and they work so great. I'm using it on the little closet in my bathroom as well, wiping down the door handle, wiping down the door because they get pretty dirty with the kids around. And then I'm also going to be using this to continue wiping down the baseboards throughout the bathroom. And I'm going to wipe down my scale, wipe down the cabinets. This stuff works great. This vinegar and dish soap mixture is amazing.
Hanging up to see if you would call me. I miss you more when you seem too far away. And you can blame it all on me as long as we can find our way. We tried to stop this. Yeah, we end up the same every time. Cause when our heart is weak, there's nothing left to fight about.
Time to vacuum up the bathroom, get any dust, any hair off of the floor so that when I go to mop, there is nothing getting stuck to the mop. I'm using my Shark upright rocket vacuum. It is such an amazing vacuum. I rave about it all the time. If you haven't seen my other cleaning videos, and you're probably like, what is she talking about? But I talk about it all of the time. I love it so much. Best purchase ever. The only thing I wish is that I wish it was cordless, but hey, you can't have everything, and I got it on Black Friday for a steal. I'm just going to be using the Swiffer and a Swiffer heavy duty wet pad, and then I'm going to go and I'm going to clean up the loft. There's stuff scattered on the floor. There's toys, there's cards, a deck of cards because my daughter was playing with a deck of cards, so I'm just going to straighten up in the loft before moving on to do anything else.
So give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys.
And now it is time to make my son's bed. This is one of my most dreaded chores ever. It's just such a pain because he has a loft bed, as you can see, and he has a protective sheet on there to help in case he has any sort of accidents. So it's just like a 20 million step process that takes forever, and I have to climb on the bed, and it's just such a task. But obviously his sheets need to be washed, and he needs to sleep in a clean bed. I have been asked about his bed before. I got it on Amazon, and it is the cutest bed ever. It comes with drawers, it comes with bookshelves, and he is obsessed with it. He has a little fort underneath. It's pretty cool. It's just hard to make, but I will have that linked in my Amazon favorites down below for anybody else who is interested in it. I got his bed on Amazon. I got his mattress on Amazon. I got the sheet protector on Amazon. I'm an Amazon Prime and Target mom. Not really a Pinterest mom. Anybody else out there like that? I Amazon Prime everything that I can. It's just so amazing.
I was so lost, like a vagabond with no home, moving on into the wilderness of my emptiness. A lack of faith, while the time was running out for me. There's no.
I hope that you have found this motivating to get your cleaning done, or just get up and get something checked off of your chore list. Thank you guys so much for being here and clicking on this video. It seriously means the world to me to have you here. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Lots of motherhood stuff. There's going to be some new DIY videos, and soon we are going to be doing some upgrades to our kitchen, so stick around for that. Thank you guys again for watching, and I hope that you have the most wonderful day, and I'll catch you in the next video.